Hello viewers, welcome to Harshni's View. Today's news: Coronavirus recovery. Most common post-COVID symptoms and when you seek help. Testing negative may be only half the battle won. As recovery rates continue to rise, doctor warned that COVID survivors may face increased infections, symptoms and ailment risk. COVID 19 is only half the battle won. As recovery rates continues to rise in India, doctors are now warning that people who have fought and recovered from the coronavirus are at the risk of certain infections and chronic ailments, which could sometimes last for the few weeks or even months. Here's why long COVID symptom need attention. Long COVID or post COVID syndrome, as it is being dubbed, is the newest battle COVID survivors may be fighting off. While long COVID risk has long been studied and warned against by global experts, the extent of damage caused by post COVID syndrome could affect 1 in 10 Indians after the second wave of corona ends. Some symptoms can be on the middle side, resolve on their own, and some could be moderate or severe in nature and require prolonged recovery and care. As per Indian researchers, here are some of the most common long COVID 19 symptoms seen in their patients and may seek some attention for the patients. Post COVID cough. Persistent coughing is a classic maker of a coronavirus infection, and for some patients, coughing bouts could continue for weeks after a viral load has depleted from the body. Lingering cough could be a residual sign of upper respiratory inflammation and may be dealt with by using cough suppressants, soothing herbal concoctions, and tea. The next is malaise, joint aches, and muscle pain. A feeling of uneasiness, frequent fatigue, exhaustion can be a symptom be battle after the body has fought off the virus, which can take its toll. Doctors also say that a viral infection of much magnitude can also cause lingering symptoms like joint aches, muscle pain, headaches until a couple of months after testing negative. Apart from these, those patients who have battled a severe bout of infection may also suffer from low grade fever, inflammation, which may last for a few weeks. However, if a long grade fever is accompanied by chills or body pain, reinfection fears may loom and need to be looked into. The fifth one is sleeping problems or disorders. There are also some COVID recovered patients who are battling a deluge of poor sleep problems, stress, and sleep impairment issues. Not only can COVID 19 be increasing your insomnia risk, but recovered patients may also face trouble recording a good sleep and even experience insomnia. Stress, anxiety, prevailing situations, and looming survivors, guilt could also be making many lose out on sleep. Sleep experts say, do remember that sleep is very crucial to strengthening your immunity and recovering well. Therefore, any sleep issues or difficulties need to be looked into once. Practicing meditation, yoga, packing back slowly into normalcy, or counseling may also help. The next one is memory impairment, brain fog. Neuropsychiatric and cognitive issues are a huge factor that could affect post recovery. Not only could a COVID infection impact the brain profoundly, but experts also say that they expect to see a rise in mental health problems among the recovered patients. Post traumatic stress disorder, especially among hospitalized COVID 19 patients, could also be concerning. Recovered COVID patients who may have suffered from a mild or severe from COVID 19 can also have a troubling time concentrating or carrying out daily tasks, experience cognition fault, brain fog, and memory impairment weeks after testing negative. This is also one of the reasons why patients need to take time to pace back into regular tasks and routine. Apart from these mild to moderate symptoms, there are also some symptoms that are more concerning in nature and require medical attention. The next one is sudden breathlessness at rest. Experiencing a sudden rise of breathlessness even at rest can be a sign of pulmonary embolism, which could be resultant of blood clots formed due to virus spread in the body. Palpitations, dizziness, changes in the heart rate could also be possible. With a rise in causes of lung involvement, many patients suffering from moderate to severe COVID 19 may also continue to face some respiratory complications, including high headedness, fluctuating oxygen levels, and require prolonged oxygen support. Respiratory exercises, yoga asanas may also offer respite. Chest pain, which could be a symptom of troubling heart health or myocardial infarction, is also a symptom that needs to be looked into. The next one is renal damage. As per case studies, coronavirus could also impact your kidneys and make patients suffer from kidney related issues. Even if they haven't had any pre existing issues in the past, those suffering from diabetes and high blood pressure should also pay critical attention. Following a good diet is important to negate risk. In this article, the last one is leg pain or swelling. There are also increasing report of patients experiencing blood clot formations in the body. Leg pain, one-sided swelling, pacing heart rates, weakness of limbs needed to be attended at once. If this information is really likened by you all, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you all. Always stay connected with Harshni's View. Stay safe and stay home. See you. Bye bye. Tata.